Hi guys, I hope you are all doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename your PC on Windows 11. It's very easy and simple. So just follow me. Click on the home button and then choose setting. As you can see this one, setting, and click on system on the left side, system, Bluetooth and everything. So click on system and go down. There is an option which is about. Okay, click on about. Right here is the name of your PC. My PC name is WKS001. So on the right side there is an option you can rename your PC. Just rename on, click on that. I'm going to rename it, for example, 400, like that. Okay, and click on next. So once you rename your PC, you have to restart your PC. I'm not going to restart now, so I'm going to click on restart later. Yeah, that's how you can rename your PC on Windows 11. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you out with that. See you in the next video.